last episode the rain sensor was completed. This time the goal is to run log grid, powered by our local star. So the first step is mounting the panel to collect the energy. With the panel in place, the next step is housing the charge controller. I designed a custom enclosure using OpenSCAD and printed it. I also printed a cover to seal the unit. It took a few iterations to get the fit right. Once the final version was ready, I added the brass inserts so everything can be mounted securely. From there, the charger is wired to both the panel and the battery. All connections are sealed, keep the water out. The enclosure assembled, you can move outside. Battery is housed separately to be protected. Once everything is connected, the system comes to life. The final step is preparing a separate enclosure for the control electronics. This will house the relay and future system components. I'm using a waterproof enclosure for this. To make it usable, I added internal mounts for the ground and live bars. battery, the electronics enclosure. Then the system is wired inside. Complete, it can be connected outside. System is complete. Our stars light enters the solar panel, is regulated by the charge controller, stored in the battery,